Hi class, today I am going to teach you how to make a pivot table. What is the use of the pivot table? Okay, let me share my screen first. So this is the hypothetical data I have taken and I want to know who is our best customer. So customer name is given to you, description of the products. I have taken only 7, but in real life you will be having many products, maybe in thousand quantities given, price and sales. Sale I have calculated by multiplying quantity with the price. So sale is equal to 1000 times 100, quantity times price. Okay, so first of all, let us go to the select the data, then go to the home tab and press sort and filter. In sort and filter, press filters. Now you can see on the top the filters have been applied. So when you click the filter, you can find that we have all the data points. For example, if I don't want to select all, I want to select only one. First one, you can see now it has been filtered and the sign has been changed. If I want to select all, I will select all and you can see all the data points. Similarly, for product 2, I go to description. I want only product 2. I will click product 2. I will deselect all, click only product 2, press OK, and you can see only product 2 description is highlighted. It's not that other are deleted. Basically, you can't see that. Now again, I will go here. I will select all and OK. So this is the use of filtering. Now next is pivot table. So you have to go to insert tab on the top, press pivot table. Uh, it will show this, it will automatically select all the data points. Before that, what I will do, I will select all the data points, go to insert pivot table and press OK. Now you can see that it has gone to the sheet 2. So you can change the name. Let me change the name to pivot tables. Okay, is in sheet 2. Now in sheet 2, you can find that there is pivot table field where we have date, customer, description, quantity, price, and sale. From where we can see this is in sheet 1. You can see the sheet 1, this top is date, customer name, description, quantity, price, and sale. Same is being reflected in pivot table. Secondly, you can drag fields between areas. There are 4 things that are very important: filter, columns, rows, and values. Suppose I want to see the description. So description goes automatically to the rows. You can see here, and descriptions are only coming like product 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can drag this description to the columns, and now it has been changed to the column instead of rows. But mostly we prefer that it should go to the rows. For this reason, it is in rows. Similarly, quantity, when I press the quantity or price, so let us press the price. Price has automatically gone to the summation, and you can see the product 1 price is 100 and so on. Now in the summation value, you can click here, you can change, go to the value field setting, and you can change to average, you can change to maximum, minimum. Suppose I press maximum here, so it will say okay. Now you can see the maximum value is here. Similarly, you can change this to counts. You can change to minimum. So let us have summation of this. So summation is 682. So this is the way you can change the average, you can find the maximum, and so on. Okay, this is the first thing. Secondly, if I want to remove it, I can go here, remove field. So this field has been removed now. Now we want to see that what is who is our best customer. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to press, I can see from the quantity now and sale. So let us first see the quantity. In the quantity, which product or which industry, instead of product, I will prefer the customer name. So industry 1, they have purchased 1,000 pieces, industry 2, 1167. So if I want to see which is the on the top list, what I will do, I will select all, go to home, and go to the sort and filter, sort largest to smallest, sort largest to smallest. So you can see that largest is 4,000. It means that industry 5, they have purchased maximum product 1,000, industry 2, they have purchased 1167, and so on. So it has been sorted from largest to the smallest. Suppose I don't want to see the quantity, I want to see the sale. I can see both also. See here, quantity and sale. But here I am preferring to see only the sale. Industry 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I want to sort it. You can use sort and find. You can use sort and filter, or let me use the another tool, that is conditional formatting. So conditional formatting, I am pressing top bottom rule, top 10 items. So I want to see top 3 items. So I will change format cell in the 3. I can change the color. Let us have the green color here, and I can press OK. So you can see that industry 1, industry 2, and industry 5, they have given us a maximum sale, and total sum is 510813. One more thing you can do for making your dashboard is you can insert some graphs. Let us have this 2D graph where you can see that a bar graph is generated. So these are the various things you can do. Maybe you can change it or sort it from the highest to lowest so that the graph becomes lucrative. So I can choose this. I can go to the home. I can sort it from the largest to the lowest. And now you can see from the graph that it has been sorted from largest to the lowest. Industry 2, they have given us the sale of about 115533, followed by industry 1 and industry 5. This is the small example I have taken, and you can do analysis, so on. Thank you so much for watching my video. Let me stop the recording now.